Listen, I know how frustrating it is to wake up every day with that burning, tingling nerve discomfort that never seems to fully go away. If you're watching this, chances are you've already tried creams, pills, maybe even prescriptions, and you're tired of getting your hopes up again. So let's get straight to it. AlphaCur is being talked about a lot right now, especially in 2026. And I wanted to know one thing. Does the formula itself actually make sense from a science and safety standpoint? Or is this just another product with good marketing? What caught my attention first was the magnesium glycinate. This isn't cheap magnesium oxide. Glycinate is one of the most bioavailable forms, meaning your body can actually absorb it. Magnesium plays a critical role in nerve signaling and muscle relaxation, which explains why many people report calmer nerves and better sleep early on. Then there's alpha-lipoic acid. This ingredient has real research behind it for oxidative stress and nerve protection. Nerves don't heal well when inflammation and free radicals are constantly attacking them. Alpha-lipoic acid helps protect those nerve cells while supporting healthier nerve communication. Now, here's where the formula gets more interesting. Butcher's broom is about circulation. Poor blood flow means nerves don't get oxygen or nutrients. L-carnitine supports cellular energy and nerve regeneration, and turmeric adds another layer of inflammation control. CoQ10 ties it together by supporting energy production at the cellular level. This isn't random, it's a systems-based approach. Look, I was skeptical too, especially when I saw how many fake websites are popping up using the AlphaCur name. That's why this part matters. I've put the only official and safe link right below this video. If you're on your phone, just tap the title of this video and the description box will slide up. You'll see the blue link right there at the top. From a safety standpoint, the formula uses natural ingredients manufactured in a U.S. facility that follows GMP standards. While supplements aren't FDA approved like drugs, these ingredients themselves are widely studied and commonly used. Thousands of verified buyers report improvements in sleep, comfort, and daily function. And here's the safety net. AlphaCur comes with a full 60-day satisfaction guarantee. That means you're not locked in. You try it consistently, see how your body responds, and if it's not for you, you're protected. The official link is also in the first pinned comment below.